Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm transforming from this to this. So I already have my foundation and concealer on, which it looks very pretty today. I also really quick want to say congratulations to the winners of the giveaway, Carol Catan and Michelle N. They won the last two giveaways. So congrats guys, and I hope you love it. So I don't really know what I'm doing for this video, but I know I want to do something blue and icy. So I found all the blues I have in all my palettes, and I'm just gonna throw something together and see what I can make work. Starting off with this blue from the James Charles palette. I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit, just up top. I'm actually gonna darken this, but I want this to be more of a gradient. Okay, and now I'm taking the darker blue right here. Taking the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Deep Freeze, and I'm just gonna use this to highlight. Actually gonna do the lips, and for the lips I am going in with a little bit of concealer, and I used the Deep Freeze Skin Frost by Jeffree Star on my lips. And going in with the same blue, light blue. And then the dark blue again. Okay, now I'm just taking a white shimmery shade and putting it where that concealer is. Now I'm just taking some really small crystals and putting them on my eye with eyelash glue. Now I have the crystals on, and I'm actually going to take some eyeshadow and smoke out my lower lash line. Just the same colors I've been using though. I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara and lashes on. So now I have these antlers I want to put in, and they like cute little antlers. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but we're gonna try. little snowflakes, so I'm just gonna put around my hairline because you can kind of see it. Okay, so this is the finished look. I love how it came out. I don't know about the neck, but other than that, like, oh, it looks so pretty. I'm gonna get close so you guys can see it. And look at how cute my antlers are. Excuse my pins in the back, but y'all, my antlers fell. I'm making mac and cheese because I am so hungry, but I forgot to film an outro. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked it. So you can see, oh my gosh, you can see it in the light right now. It's very pretty. My face looks red, so that's not cool. It might just be like from the blue to like my foundation being like a little bit darker than my skin. It might have just made it look a little funky, but anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.